Hello, this is Theo Marshall of MarineMax Boston, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Boston Whaler 2012 210 Montauk. Starting at the stern here, she's powered by a 150 horsepower Mercury VERADO engine. Seating on both the port and starboard side in the stern, where you'll notice that your rod holders can also be used to set up your backrest. You also have a nice cushion here right in front of the engine. Under the cushion, your LIVEWELL. Here at the helm seating, very comfortable seating for two with an adjustable backrest. And under the seating, plenty of space for storage. Here at the helm, you have your gauges, your switches, RAYMARINE screen, your throttle, radio, compass, as well as Clarion speakers. Here in the center console, room for storage, as well as vacuum flush toilet. You'll notice the boat has stainless steel rails, along with a nice BIMINI top, give you that nice shade on a sunny day. Here at the bow seating, you'll notice a large sun cloud, plenty of room for seating, under which you will find plenty of additional storage. On the console, you have seating as well as cooler storage. And in that seating, you'll notice 6 additional rod holders. Again, this is the Boston Whaler 2012 210 Montauk. For any additional questions or any information, please give us a call at 781-727-0629. Thank you and have a great day.